Hey, welcome to Bar Essentials, straight from Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. In this series, we're going over the essential ingredients necessary for every great bar, every great bartender, and every happiness bar. Today, we're going to be making a 15% saline solution. If you're looking for a recipe for demerara syrup, simple syrup, ginger syrup, mint syrup, honey syrup, orgeat, or even a technique for citrus juicing, check out the links below. But if you're in the right place, let's jump in. Alright, the tools you're going to need today for our 15% saline solution are a pot. You're also going to need a kitchen scale, something that can weigh out grams, and a bar spoon or something you can stir with. Alright, so for our ingredients today for our saline solution, okay, we're going to grab a container, going to place it right onto our scale, make sure we zero it out, okay, and we're going to weigh out 250 grams of water. Got our water. Alright, so now we're going to weigh out our salt. This is a 15% saline solution, so if we had 250 grams of water, we're going to need 37.5 grams of sea salt. Go ahead and weigh that out. 37.5 grams. Let's add our water, add our sea salt, get our pot heating at a medium-high. We want to give that a stir. And what we're going to want to do is heat that until all the salt is dissolved into the water. While that's heating, grab your storage container, grab your blue tape or something to label with, and I would write on here 15% saline and the date. Alright, once all the salt is dissolved, take that off the heat, allow it to cool, right into our storage container. And there you have it, a 15% saline solution essential for every bar and every happiness bar. Alright guys, if you're looking for more recipes, check out the rest of our page here at Happiness Bar. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy,